welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tea. If you do see a mop head in her pajamas waiting for breakfast, yeah, that's because this is a breakfast edition Cooking with Tea, and we are making chocolate chip pancakes, as I'm going to say, with the milkshake thing. Well, are you wondering again? Well, Talia, we don't have chocolate chips, but we do have, blueberries. That's totally fine, because, we're doing chocolate chips, but last time we made pancakes, we did chocolate chip and blueberry, but it wasn't on camera. As I said, I'm always going to have my trusty helper, Daddy, here to help me. And also, please like and smash the subscribe button. It would really help, as I'm always going to say. And so, let's get started. So now we have all our dry ingredients here. Sorry if I said dry. We have some flour, some baking powder, some sugar, and some salt. And we have some neon pink food coloring. We're making colored pancakes. We'll get to that later. I love neon colors. That's why I picked this. So, are we just going to pour them all in?
Yep.
So, I'm going to pour my flour. We have these pre-measured, so we don't need to spend any time pausing the video to measure them, which is good. So, more action, less pausing. It was so hard to get out. Okay. Now I'm gonna pour my sugar. And last but not least, the salt. So now I'm gonna whisk them all together.
Yep, just mix them together.
This should actually be good. I feel like they're all together already, because I feel like the flour is really taking them over. So now we're moving on to the wet ingredients. This just takes one egg. I'm going to crack my egg right here. You've seen me crack eggs like a million times, so you know what I do. There might be shell in here. Nope, there's no shell. I totally thought there would be because it was a messy crack. But I got to wash my hands now, so let's pause the video. I'm going to pour my milk. How much milk do I need, Daddy?
You need 1 1/4 cups.
So what is that? Oh, 1 out of 4?
1/4, and then after you pour that in, you'll put in a whole cup.
I don't get that, but we'll get to that later. Oh God, I think that's enough.
We'll check it.
Let's check. Yep. No, that's definitely not enough. Okay.
Well, it's got to be flat on the ground, so you want to look like that. Yeah.
Look like that. I'm really scared to do this. Okay, it's like right there, like 1 out of 4.
Okay, so dump that in to the dry ingredients. And then measure out another cup.
It's like bubbly sand or whatever. How much cups of this do I need?
Just 1. So now a full cup.
A full one?
Yeah, which is basically the top line, I think.
Okay.
You got the top line?
Yeah. Well, at least in here it says 1 cup. So.
All right.
Yep, that's definitely enough.
Okay, what are the other wet ingredients?
So now I got my egg. I'm gonna pour my egg in. I'm gonna plop right in there.
And what's that?
That's the butter. We melted it beforehand.
Melted butter.
I feel like I love to make jokes on this show. Now I'm gonna stir it all together. Okay, I think I'm done stirring. Now I'm going to put my neon food color. I know this is like the part you've all been waiting for, even though the chocolate chips is pretty cool also. Since I get to flip. Also flipping is cool. Think that's enough?
Mix it in, see what the color looks like.
So what you're going to need for this part is you're going to need a griddle. You're going to need a plate. put your pancakes on, you're gonna need a spatula. You're gonna need an ice cream scooper. We'll come to why you need an ice cream scoop when I start putting the pancakes on the griddle. You're gonna need your batter, as you already made, and if you're making chocolate chip pancakes, these.
Hey, those are for the pancakes.
I can't resist.
All
Can
right.
you come feel how hot it is? To see if we can put
You want me to check it?
pancake on? Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can try one.
You're gonna need the ice cream scooper to put the pancake batter on the griddle. Gonna probably want to spread it out. I think I made a silver dollar.
Cool. Why don't you put 2 on at a time?
Okay. Yeah, I'm making silver dollar pancakes, I guess. They're cooking. Cooking, baby. This one is a little smaller than that one. So I'll just let these guys cook. I think I should throw some chocolate chips on there.
Yeah. All right, do you seeing any bubbles come up on top?
Yeah, I'm seeing them.
All right, so check the bottom.
Could you come see if they're... Yeah, this is definitely ready.
Okay, let's see if flip it.
Nice, flip. Yeah, those pancakes match your shirt. Oh, they do! Flip fail. Flip fail. Try to pull that on.
Okay, now I'm going to flip this pancake.
I don't think you need to flip it. I think it's done.
I know, I'm not going to flip it. I'm going to flip it on the plate. I'm going to put that to the side so it doesn't touch the griddle. Smart, but also a little eek. I don't want to do this. It's really hot. Oh my God, Dad, can you do this for me?
Just get it underneath.
I'm trying to. It's like,
There you go.
this side of the griddle can be helpful.
All right. Why don't we make 3 or 4 more?
I'll make 3 more. Okay, so now it is time to taste test my pancakes. I have Mrs. Butterworth with me. I love you, Mrs. Butterworth. Okay,
What
I'm
is
gonna pour.
Mrs. Butterworth's?
she's syrup.
Okay.
My favorite kind of syrup. Aunt Jemima's is good, but not as good as this. Because there's a commercial with a man dancing with this syrup. No, let me try it.
Wait, you're not using your fork?
No. You gave me a fork, but I'm not going to use it.
Okay. How is it?
Yummy! I was going to sing that waffle song, but this isn't waffles. This is pancakes.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. I love you all, and see you next time on Cooking with Tea.